Welcome. Look at the picture and choose the statement that best describes what you see in the picture. The statements will be spoken just one time. They will not be printed, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speaker says. Look at this picture. Now listen to the four statements. Statement A, both workers are checking the inventory list. Statement B, the goods are covered with plastic. Statement C, the workers are not casually dressed. Statement D, the goods are loaded outdoors. Now, mark your answer, A, B, C or D. Thank you for your answer. See you soon.